Tesla Model 3 or Toyota Camry? Which one actually saves you more money? Most people think they know the answer, but they don't.
Before you choose Tesla Model 3 or Toyota Camry, watch this.
One wrong decision between Tesla Model 3 and Toyota Camry can cost you thousands. Let's compare Tesla Model 3 and Toyota Camry step by step. Toyota Camry is cheaper than Tesla Model 3 up front. Tesla Model 3 costs more at the beginning, but saves later.
Toyota Camry needs gas every week.
Tesla Model 3 charges with electricity. Charging Tesla Model 3 is cheaper than fueling Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry needs oil changes and maintenance. That means Tesla Model 3 needs less maintenance than Toyota Camry.
Tesla Model 3 is faster than Toyota Camry.
Toyota Camry is smooth and comfortable.
Tesla Model 3 is electric and eco-friendly.
Toyota Camry uses fuel and creates emissions.
Over time, Tesla Model 3 can save more money than Toyota Camry. But initial cost of Tesla Model 3 is higher than Toyota Camry.
Toyota Camry is easy for long trips with fuel stations everywhere.
Tesla Model 3 depends on charging stations.
Tesla Model 3 has a modern tech interior.
Toyota Camry feels traditional but comfortable.
Tesla Model 3 saves fuel and maintenance.
Toyota Camry is cheaper and reliable.
Both Tesla Model 3 and Toyota Camry are great choices.
It depends on your budget and lifestyle.
Choose Tesla Model 3 for long-term savings.
Choose Toyota Camry for lower upfront cost. So, Tesla Model 3 or Toyota Camry? Comment your choice and follow VIXER for more.